Hey guys, what's up? Radman Toys Raymond here. Kumusta kayo lahat guys? Hope everyone is doing great. So ayun guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Ayala Heights Drive, Capitol Hills, Quezon City. Okay, so I'm going to check out this Wellness Pilates Center. Okay, so ayun guys. So let's check it out. So yan yun guys. Ayan guys, so ito na yung pagpasok sa reception. Okay. So, ayan. Ito tayo sa reception. So, dun yung center sa loob. So ito guys, nandito tayo sa loob ng Pilates Gym, no? Or Wellness Center. So ayan, meron siyang mga stability ball, may mga mats. Okay. Ayan, ganito siya. So actually may mga magta-try. So ayan, yan yung mga machine. Okay. Ayan guys. So ito daw, pwede daw itong gawing parang private room. Kung siguro pag medyo mahihain kayo, pwede daw. No, kasi pwede siya i-close eh. Kasi may pinto. Ayan, sliding door. Okay. Tapos ito yung ibang yan, mga equipments. Okay, so ano yan, whole body workout daw pwede dyan. Yan, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo, demo natin. Ayan sir, so anong workout ang gagawin natin ngayon?
Okay, wrap up toes, wrap your toes on the foot part. And then, we're going to inhale to prepare. Exhale, press away, heels higher, return, exhale, and inhale. Long and strong legs. Engage. Inhale. And exhale. And 2. Last one. And relax. This time you're going to bring your heels on the foot bar. Yes, heels a bit lower.
So parang ano siya, ano, leg workout to.
It works your whole quads, quadriceps, or the big muscles on the front part of our legs. Including, of course, the abdominal muscles. So this is a great lower body workout.
Okay.
If you're to prepare, imagine there's a wall pressing against you, lower a bit. Okay? Don't prepare, we're going to work your biceps, triceps. Okay.
So ito naman guys, triceps naman to. No? Triceps, yan. So meron siyang cable.
Yes.
Okay, yan.
Working.
May tao, no?
Exhale.
Cable.
And inhale.
So yan. So triceps.
And 2, last one, and last. Okay, nice. So, dito na tayo sa check
Okay.
the back. Let's go. Good. Yes. Press pa ng konting lower back. Press sa angat pa ng konting mas straight. Iyan.
So ito naman guys, chest naman tayo, no?
Kaya na ninyo.
Chest.
Para mas maganda yung
So tuturo sa iyo yung tamang position, ganyan.
bring it in.
Ayan. Oh, di ba?
And exhale.
Oh, nagka-cable ka lang sa gym.
And inhale. Yes, exhale.
All in one machine. Lower body, upper body. Oh, di ba? Astig, di ba?
To especially the core of our body.
Yung core, oh, kasi naka-sit ka eh. Yung core mo na-enhance.
Easy workout and bend now. Here. Push away. Open your arms. Push away. Open your arms. Bring it together. Bring it down. This is the offering. It works and it makes the whole chest back. Arms come on. Exhale. Inhale.
Okay.
2. Very good. Last one. Nice and easy. And
So yung tension niya, nasa spring, no?
yes.
Saan yung
tension niyan?
Yung tension?
The tension is
Saan ina-adjust yung tension?
on the spring.
Hindi
This
mo
is
nasa
the
spring.
strong-
Hindi siya weights.
Yes.
Spring ang ginagamit sa
Yes.
kanya.
This
For
is
the
the lighter
tension.
version of the spring, the blue one, and this is the stronger one, the red
Okay.
one.
Okay. Hello guys, so we have here Coach Will of Wellness Pilates. So Coach Will, can you give us a simple explanation on what Pilates is all about?
Okay, Pilates is more on lengthening and more abdominal workout. It's depend to the person kung ano yung gusto niya mangyari sa kanyang body, kung gusto niya maging flexible siya or to be strong. But totally more on breathing the Pilates abdominals.
So kaya bang bodybuilding?
Yeah, the
Kaya rin?
bodybuilder, pwede ka rin dito para kang nagwo-workout sa gym because we have a program na para kang nagbo-bicep, nag-squat. Usually, this is workouts para kang nagle-leg press dito. Nakahiga ka, pero
Oo.
naka-squat ang movement.
Oo nga.
Yan ang mga workout dito. May bicep, may tricep workout here.
Okay. So ano bang difference ng like say working out in the gym saka yung Pilates?
So,
Parang main
workout-
difference nila.
Yeah, the workout in the gym, more on muscle composition. So, nag-create sila ng muscle, bodybuilding for competition. The Pilates is more on flexibility or conditioning ng body also. So, hindi siya mabigat, hindi siya madali. More on, this is the intelligence workout.
Tama. Kasi minsan pagka nag-gym ka, parang nagiging matigas ka no? Hindi ka nagiging flexible no?
Yes, so dito kinukondition ng body. Pwede ka mag-workout before, after workout, you can come here in the Pilates or before you go to the gym, you can do the Pilates.
Parang dito yung
Yeah.
nasa stretching, no? Parang
Yeah,
flexibility, no?
Yeah,
Parang ganun siya.
stability. Inaano niya talaga to. More condition ng body mo. More sa mga dancer dito is good. Parang, sabihin natin parang semi-rehab sa mga may problema sa body.
So coach, anong age ang masasabi mo para sa Pilates? Age group, ano bang, sino-sino ba yung mga pwedeng pumunta mag-workout dito?
So wala siya nung pinipili as long alam niya yung sarili niya. Usually, mga old dito pwede kasi itong workout na to is more on higa and upo lang siya. Ito yung workout na hindi kailangan ng...
Higa and upo,
Oh, yeah.
parang workout na pantamad ba?
Yeah, yun. Yung mga talagang ayaw talagang mag-workout. Ito talaga para sa kanila. Ito yung time para sa kanila. Nakahiga ka rin sa kanila upo.
So kahit na kung senior, ganyan, okay lang ba?
Yes,
Kaya rin?
senior, pwede yan. Basically, meron ko yung mga senior dito, 76, 77, nag-workout. Pero limited naman yung movement na ibinibigay namin sa kanila. Like maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Lalo na yung mga may stroke.
Okay. Sige, thank you coach
Okay.
for that brief explanation.
Thank you to you.
So ito guys, we have here Ma'am Cha, no? Ma'am Cha, meron tayong free trial ngayon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please invite my followers?
Hello guys, we will invite you here at Wellness Pilates. We have a free trial starting today, March 16 until March 21.
Just contact us.
Just contact us here at Viber and WhatsApp.
Bakit nila kailangan mag-contact mo?
So that we can pencil book you. And we will look for available instructor.
Kasi kailangan one-on-one no?
Yes.
Okay. So, ayun guys. So, ayun nga guys, doon sa mga malapit dito sa Ayala Heights Drive, Capitol Hills, Quezon City, I highly recommend or I highly suggest that you try the Wellness Pilates. Okay? Libre naman for this week, actually from March 16, di ba, hanggang March 21. Libre siya. All you need to do is to contact them para makapag-pencil book. Kasi hindi siya po pwede yung pupunta na lang kayo basta-basta dito tapos bigla na lang kayo mag-workout. Hindi. Kailangan kasi nga merong coach, merong instructor. So, ang maximum group is 4 to 5 or 5 person. Kasi nga nakita niyo yung instrument kanina doon, parang merong device yung nakahiga. So, 5 lang kasi yun 5 piraso yun, 5 units. So, kailangan maximum of 5 per session. Guys nyo, hindi siya pa pwedeng 6. Yung pang-6, nakatayo na lang, wala magagawa yun. So, if you're a group of 5, gusto nyo matry, kontakin nyo lang sila. Okay guys, libre siya guys ha. From March 16 hanggang 21 lang siya. And I think they're open from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. Okay, so ayun guys. Always remember to take time and work out. Kasi pag hindi nyo inalagaan na sarili nyo, magbabayad kayo in the future. Okay? So, ayun guys. Until next vlog, this is Redmond Toys Raymond. Always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.